for joining me. Today I want to share a paratha roti that I learned from Taste of Trini. You can check out this very sad recipe that I watched over and over and over that she have on her YouTube channel. The links would be in the cards, in the end screen, and in the description. So come on, let's do this as I try to follow her and her grandfather paratha recipe. She did two different types of rolling style. So let's go. As I mentioned, all of the links for this particular recipe that I followed for her YouTube channel would be in the end screen, the cards above, the description. Thanks so much, and again, the name of her YouTube channel is Taste of Trini. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching my quick demo of how I followed her awesome paratha roti. Thanks for always supporting, guys. I really do appreciate the constant support. Have a good one. Bye.